My. What an incredible, incredible start to the new year. 2022. My goodness, my goodness. We have been blessed to make it through to 2022. And some of us have really made it through with a bang. And so we want to share this opportunity with each and every one of you so that this year will be a bang for you as well. And we are just so excited. We're so grateful that y'all are here to hear this information. For some of you, it is, 10 o'clock at night. And for some folks, that's late. For me, I'm one. Let me raise my hand. 10 o'clock at night is late for me, right? But the thing that we want to be sure and do is provide this information at times that will be conducive to everyone's schedule. And so we do this presentation at the very least 3 times per week, guys, and we're just so excited to do it. We are actually honored to be able to do it, to present this information. So guys, we are going to go ahead and get started. We did start earlier with, we started actually about 5 minutes before the hour. And the way we started was presenting the information for all the VIPs. Those are people that are investing at the very least $25,000. And they are receiving a return on investment of $25,000 every single week, week after week, after week, after week. And they are making good money for sure, putting their money to work as opposed to them continually working for their money. So we're just excited, guys. We're just fired up. And let me tell you, y'all have been hearing from a lot of testosterone over the last couple of weeks. But I tell you what, we got something special for you tonight. Our presenter tonight is Mrs. Marcia Hadley. And she's been, under the weather for a couple of weeks. And so, she comes on from time to time and just give us a snippet of her greatness. And for that, we are incredibly grateful. And tonight we get her back in full effect. Oh my goodness. This is going to be an incredible presentation, guys. So I always tell you all to put on your seatbelts. We have presenters that are truly, truly extraordinary. And man, Marcia is truly extraordinary. Let me just tell you a little bit about her, and then we're going to get on with this presentation. Most of you know Marcia, but for the guests and people that have not had the blessing of experiencing her and meeting her, let me just tell you a little bit about her. Marcia is wonderfully married. Her and her husband have been married for many years. They have a very successful relationship. That is so, unfortunately, in this day and age, it's unusual. But what it says for you and I, as business partners with Marcia, is that she is able to maintain a strong relationship. That is so, so important. It means that she cares, right? And so they have 2 beautiful daughters together, whom I love. And I call them Nisi, and they call me Auntie. And I tell you guys, that warms my heart. We are truly, truly family here. Marcia is very, very successful in her own personal life, right? With regards to her professional life. And for you and I, it is truly a blessing because she shares her gifts. She shares her talents with us. And they are extraordinary. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Marcia is a leader of leaders. She has helped many, many people to be financially successful, many people. Now, I was sharing with y'all a little bit earlier this morning that one of our team members, the very first time they heard her present, they said, oh, that Marsha Hadley is anointed to present. And I tell you what, y'all, she really, really is. And she's going to bring you the information this evening, guys. I am so, so excited to hear this presentation once again presented by none other than Mrs. Marsha Hadley. Marsha, are you there?
I am here, Corey J, bad to the bone Sampson, as I say all the time. Thank you so much for leading the way, and really you and Sherelle vetting this opportunity for us to even talk about today. Thank you for being my sister, my friend, my business partner, the co-founder of our incredible team. Good evening, everyone. Happy New Year, wherever you are around the world. It could be morning as well. We're going to hear about NovaTech, and you may have heard about, what is NovaTech all about? And we're going to hear more information about why NovaTech is doing what they're doing. And they've been in business, you guys, since June of 2019. And they are a cryptocurrency hedge fund company. What I love about them is that we don't have to do any work. We can let them do everything and sit back and chillax and do whatever we want to do, whatever our financial desires are. They also are one of the largest Bitcoin ATM providers in the state of Florida. And do they have it going on? They absolutely do, as people are coming in. When I see this slide, you all, I get excited because I see this family on the right-hand side that's smiling, that doesn't have a care in the world. How many of you on this line want to be just like this family? Or maybe you already are just like this family, but you want to enjoy life even more. And when I look at what it says here, it says massive passive income made easy. So let's break that down. What does massive mean? It means enormous, huge, right? What does passive mean? It means sit back, chillax, and let the experts at NovaTech do what they do best plus more. What does made easy mean? It means simple. Don't you guys just want something that's simple? We got enough to deal with stress and everything. So I want you to think about what it means for you in terms of your retirement. When do you want to retire? As I look back, I've been working at my job for over 19 years. And, I thank God for that, have means, right, coming in. But I don't have a retirement with that company. There's no retirement plan. I have a 401k, which is great. But when I look at my 401k and compare it to the magnitude and the potential of NovaTech, it does not compare. So now I said, I need to do a shift. When Corey called me, she was absolutely right. She said, look, Marsha, I know Marsha's going to go VIP. This is something that can help her family. That's why you're here today. We don't have to share this with a single soul, ladies and gentlemen. It's really about the individual that invited you, that's caring enough for you and your family, because we have massive passive income. It's made easy. Don't have to share it with a single soul. It's a fully automated cryptocurrency and Forex trading platform. If you're on the line and don't know about Forex trading or cryptocurrency, that's okay. That's what NovaTech is about. We don't need to know those things. And our team, we're here to set you up for success. So let's talk about the eighth wonder of the world, compounding. There's a young lady on this line. I just want to give her a shout out, Miss Gloria. When I spoke to her in general, she saw the presentation. She said, I know all about compounding. I want in. I want to sign up. We'll talk a little bit more about her story. So I just wanted to give her a shout out from the ATL. But on this disclaimer here, when I go over the compound and the potential that you can earn here with NovaTech, it's really merely, you guys, to educate you and I, because a lot of folks don't know about compounding. We weren't taught and educated as we were growing up about wealth, right? We were taught to do what? Go to school, get a good grade, and do what? Go to college and get a job. But what about what the 2%ers are doing, or the 1%ers are doing? They're having their money work for them instead of them working for it. And that's what we're going to get educated about. That's what NovaTech is going to do and change the game in the world of what we know today in terms of having financial success and financial freedom. So the compound calculator I'm going to share with you all today, ladies and gentlemen, is not endorsed by the company at all. Actually, one of our senior success line found it online. So past performance is not indicative of future results. So we're not stating any guarantees at all whatsoever. We're just going to show you how to calculate and use the calculator, okay? So you can see here on my screen, you can go to the calculator yourself. You don't have to do it now, but if you want to do it on your own, the website is thecalculatorsite.com. Again, thecalculatorsite.com. Once you go there, ladies and gentlemen, just simply click on finance and click on Forex Compounding, and you'll be exactly where I am right now. So let's say you invested and you started off with $1,000. Now you can start off with as low as $99 here. We don't recommend it, but you can start at $99 investment if you wanted to. So we're going to start off with $1,000. And so when I was speaking to my friend earlier, and we were talking about, his mother-in-law is so great. And she said she's going to get started. She want to be conservative. He said she's going to start with $25 or 25 actually. She said, I'm going to start with 25. I'm going to be conservative. So he said, 25 what, mother-in-law? $25,000, you guys. You can start off with $99. You can invest whatever amount that your heart desires in terms of what you want to invest. And it was just so comical when I was talking to him. I said, I'm going to share that in the presentation. She said, I'm just going to be conservative. I'm just going to start with $25,000. You hear that, Corey Jean? So she's going to be VIP, and we'll talk about what VIP means, but we're going to show you an example here of $1,000, you guys. And the company, since they've been in existence for 2.5 years, the percentage has ranged, you guys, anywhere from 2 to 4% a week. Now, has it been more than 4%? It has. Has it been 2 to 4%? It has. But last year, it was around 3.3 to 3.5% a week. So we're going to be conservative and just put 3% here. And we earn every single week. And let's say you reinvest in your earnings for 5 years. And then we compound, which means we reinvest our earnings every week. We didn't spend anything every single week, which takes 45 seconds to do. We reinvest our earnings. Remember, we don't have to do any trading. We don't need to know about Forex market. We don't need to know about cryptocurrency at all whatsoever. So what I also want to call out, how many of you, and you can raise your hand if you want to, and my hands are raised, spent $1,000 in the last 5 years just on stuff? I mean, if I look in my closet, there's shoes, there's clothes with tags on them. Did it yield you any return? It didn't. So $1,000 is affordable for everybody. All right, I'm going to hit calculate. So take a guess in terms of what you think this potential would be investing $1,000 one time at 3% average weekly for 5 years, compounding or reinvesting weekly. So let's hit calculate. So we're looking at, ladies and gentlemen, you're seeing it, right? You probably say, let me wipe my glasses and see if that number is correct. It's a potential of $2,175,000 on a one-time $1,000 investment. Are you kidding me? You don't have to refer anyone. You don't have to do any trading. You don't need to know about cryptocurrency. You don't need to know about anything of anything. But know that we have a company with a positive track record that's always paid on time, to know that we have a company of transparency that's here for you and I to win all over the globe. Now we're looking at 365% a year. I was talking to someone that used the calculator. He said, that's 2,175. I said, no, come again. He said, what? 2,175,000. So let's look at the breakdown. So as we look here in the yearly breakdown, year one, ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at a potential of $3,650. Year two, $20,630. Year three, almost 6 figures, $99,600. Year four, $466,000, almost $500,000. And how much did you invest again? What did you start off with? A one-time $1,000. And then year five, you're looking at $2 million, potentially $175,000. So we're going to do a breakdown. I'm going to show it you monthly. Here's why. Every time we do our bills, we look at our bills monthly, right, ladies and gentlemen? So let's look at the potential breakdown monthly. We have residual bills coming in, so we need some residual income. How about compounding, the eighth wonder of the world as well? So here's this example here. You start off with $1,000. Month one is saying if you reinvest your earnings, we receive them every single Friday, you guys. We call it Compound Friday. So it's like, yay, it's Friday. So it's payday. So Compound Friday, you have a decision to make when you earn. 3 things you can do with your money. The company's not going to automatically reinvest your money. You have to decide it's your money. So they can't tell you what to do with it. So you decide what you want to do with your profits every single Friday. Number 1, you can take your earnings and reinvest it and have it make more money. So that's that compounding effect. You can withdraw your earnings and put it in your pocket and receive your withdrawal within 24 hours. Or number 3, you can let it sit in the back office looking pretty, not earning a dime. So I don't recommend number 3, okay? So if you continue, ladies and gentlemen, to just reinvest your earnings and say, you know, $136 a month is not enough. This is coming in, ladies and gentlemen, month after month after month. Here's why. Whatever you see in the blue, this is your trading balance. And NovaTech Trades 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. They do cryptocurrency, Forex trading. They do both. Cryptocurrency is 7 days a week. So now, whatever you leave here in blue, if they're trading on it 7 days a week, you're going to continue to earn. We just get paid on Fridays or Friday. Okay. So if you deposit your funds by 11 p.m. Eastern time today or any day of the week, they're going to trade the same day, which is fantastic. So we're going to go ahead and continue to reinvest our earnings, let's say for 12 months. Now your income grew, ladies and gentlemen. You have a potential of $559 coming in month after month after month. Remember, we get paid every week though. Now your trading balance grew to $4,650. So maybe this is not, you know, your number, but I was talking to a friend. She said, that's my car note. Can it help something out in your household, ladies and gentlemen? Can it take care of a bill? Because this income is coming in over and over and over again. But let's say, you know what, that's not enough for you and your family at this time, and you continue to reinvest your earnings, which takes 45 seconds to do on Friday. And so after 24 months, here's your potential. $2,600 coming in every single month. And my girlfriend's like, what? That is my rent. Is it your rent? Is it your mortgage? Is it whatever you need extra money for? It is your choice. It is your money. You can take it out and withdraw it at any time. Now your trading balance grew to $21,600. But let's say $2,600 still wasn't enough. And then for 36 months, you went ahead and just reinvested every single Friday. Now your potential, ladies and gentlemen, is $12,094 coming in every single month after month after month. That's $3,000 a week. You can say, I'm good with that. I don't want to reinvest my earnings, my $3,000 a week anymore. I want to withdraw my monies. When you withdraw your $3,000 for the week, guess what? You receive it in 24 hours. You get paid in Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum. Now your trading balance grew to over $100,000. Now here's the kicker. Anything that you see here in blue, this is your money too. You have 100% access to this. You can take it out at any time. If you say, you know what, I want to take 10,000 from here, you can take 10,000 out. And when you take it out of your blue, your trading balance, we'll receive it within 7 to 14 business days. How fantastic is that? Now, on month 48, maybe you said 12,000 is just not quite the number I need for myself and my family coming in every month. When I spoke to my girlfriend, I'm like, now you're speaking my language, $56,000, you guys, potentially coming in every single month after month after month. And how much did you spend? How much did you invest? A one-time $1,000 out of pocket. This is why you're here tonight. This is why the person wants to share this with you, not to just get you into one of those deals. They wanted you to see the magnitude for you and your family and the prayers that you have been saying and whatever else that you need to do so that you and your family can earn whatever your heart desires. There are no limitations on how much we can earn every single month or every single week. Now your trading balance grew to $467,000. Let's look at 60 months. Now you're looking at here a potential of $261,000 coming in month after month after month. Your trading balance now, ladies and gentlemen, grew to $2,176,000. Remember, I stated this is still your money. Everything in the blue, your trading balance, the company trades every single day, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. We just get paid on Fridays, right? On Friday. Now, what if you decided, I want to pull out $1 million? You can do it. It's your money. And now your trading balance would have gone down to $1,176,000. But guess what? The company's still trading on that $1,176,000, right? Now you're looking at, if we look at month 55, the trading balance is about close, right? $1,146,000. You're still earning potentially every month about $140,000 coming in every single month. Let me do a recap. You withdrew $1 million out of your trading balance after 5 years. You're still going to be earning over 6 figures, $140,000 approximately every single month. Look, sign me up all day, every day. And a lot of you on the line probably saying the same thing. I'm going to do another example here for you. And then we'll get to where has NovaTech been all of our lives? Where are they at least for the last 2.5 years? So we're going to do 500. And this is simple math. Numbers don't lie. Play around with the calculator at your own leisure. So it's just half of that. As you can see here, 1,087,000, half of the 1,000. And then you can see every year, year 1 is 1,800. Year 2, it grew to over 10,000. Year 3, over 49,000, almost 50,000. Year 4, 233,000. And year 5, 1,087,000. Now, a lot of people ask, well, can I add more money? You can, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So let's say on this 500, you added an extra $100 a month. Okay, we're looking at 1,087,000 potential in earnings, and you just added like your 401k, like any other thing that you're doing to your savings or whatever your investments are to your account once a month, $100. Let's calculate. Now you're looking at 2,673,000 potentially for yourself and your family over the course of 5 years. So when I break it down for you monthly, month 1, it's a good start. Hey, it's $68 and some change. But let's look at 12 months. Now your account grew to almost $600, $588. Now after 24 months, you're looking at $3,100 coming in month after month, you guys, over and over and over again. Your trading balance is now $25,900. After 36 months, you're looking at, wow, you see that, Corey J? $14,798 coming in for yourself, for your family. What could you do with an additional $14,000 coming in every month? See, we're not going to touch our trading balance all that we can in the blue. Why would you touch your trading balance or your principal when it's making money for you? We'll do like the wealthy do. They live off of the profit. So you would live off this $14,000 coming in every single month after month after month. It is just fantastic. And then after 48 months, it's $69,000 potentially here, ladies and gentlemen. I can go on and on and on with examples of stuff. What we're going to do is really tell you about who the company is, who is NovaTech, where have they been all of our lives or in the past 2.5 years. NovaTech, ladies and gentlemen, is a subsidiary of NovaPay LLC, and they boast some of the industry's top leading professionals all over the world. So here's some of their products and services, like I called out earlier. Bitcoin ATMs, they're one of the largest providers of Bitcoin ATMs in the state of Florida. That crypto and Forex trading, they are the experts. We don't need to know about cryptocurrency. We don't need to know about Forex trading. I want to tell you guys something. I don't know if you read the news here recently, and you probably know who this individual is. Those may be watching Monday Night Football. But Odell Beckham Jr., it's a digital world right now. It's going to be even more prevalent here in the future. So Odell Beckham Jr., who gets paid millions of dollars in his salary for entertaining all of us, right? He switched his salary over from US dollars to Bitcoin. That's a hint, hint, and a clue, clue. So why is that? And he's an advocate for and promoting Cash App. He gave away $1 million in Bitcoin last month of December. Isn't that powerful? This is where we're going, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't know about cryptocurrency, don't worry about it. I didn't know about how to buy Bitcoin or any coin 3 years ago, but a good friend taught me. We're here to set you up for success. Team Diamond, how's it gone on? We are here for you, some incredible leaders here. But let's talk about who is behind the scenes. Who are the incredible owners, the founders is here making it all happen. Eddie and Cynthia Petion, COO and CEO of Novatech. They have over 40 years combined experience in blockchain technologies, cryptocurrency, crypto and Forex trading, professional networking, leadership, and team building, and the list goes on and on, you guys. We're talking about real money with real results, with a real company for real retirement, as I say, for real. So we're going to hear from our amazing CEO, Cynthia Petion. She's going to really talk about the vision of the company and what they're doing and where they're going as well. So we're going to hear a short video, and let's hear from our incredible CEO.
Hello and welcome. My name is Cynthia Petion. I am the CEO.
Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen.
And one of the founders here at Novatech. And I'd like to first say thank you for taking a moment of your time to learn more about our business plans. And a very special thank you to whoever introduced you to this opportunity, as well as to our leaders around the world who are taking time out of their day every day to share this opportunity with communities like mine and yours so that we can spread the good vision of Novatech. Now, I'd like to ask you one simple question before we get started. Have you ever heard this before? I will never do another online business ever again. Well, if you have, you're not alone. We've heard it many times ourselves, and we understand how you feel. And perhaps maybe you were the one who said it yourself. Well, we hope we can change that. And we'd like to offer you maybe a little glimmer of hope or a better opportunity that you couldn't find before. And it's the reason why my partners and I got together back in June of 2019 to build Novatech. We are a registered broker with MetaTrader offering a Forex and cryptocurrency trading platform. Currently, we offer a couple of different styles of accounts, including a Pam account, which is our pool asset management account. And this allows passive investors or those who don't necessarily know how to trade the ability to invest in one of our master accounts and allow Novatech to trade on your behalf. Now, we also have our Mt5 accounts, and this is for people who want to be able to trade on their own. And you can trade whether you are a skilled trader or a novice trader, or open up a demo account just to test it out first. But you can go ahead and trade on our platform with very low commissions and spreads and be able to earn income on your own without any intervention from us. And recently, we offered a very exciting program, which is to help you get paid as you trade. And this program was introduced as a pilot program for people who want to trade professionally with a reputable and reliable trading platform. And it offers you a 30-day testing period with Novatech, where you can actually test your own trading skills and possibly get paid to trade. Finally, we have something that we can call our own, something that we're extremely proud of. We've built a program and a strong foundation that is not only sustainable, but profitable. So guys, this ends my time here with you. I hope to be able to see more of you. And if you have any questions, please reach out at any time. We have our help desk support available at contact@novatechfx.io, and hope to see you soon.
All right, all right, all right. I get excited every time I see the video. There's something that flashes here, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you picked up on it, but it said invest in your future. And it resonates with me. And I'm like, wow. You know, I don't know if by the time I retire, if anything's going to be there for me and my family, Social Security or anything else. So we got to put our, life in our own hands and not be dependent on other folks, right? So let's talk a little bit more about Novatech, and we'll be wrapping up here shortly. They were established in June of 2019. They are a legally registered hedge fund company. I love their business model. I love how they design this company for everyone to win all around the world. They provide their customers with affordable solutions. When we talk about affordable, we're talking about affordable. And we don't need to know how to trade cryptocurrency or Forex, but they also are a MetaTrader 5 broker. For those of you that are listening and know how to trade and want to earn your own money, you can do that. For those of you that are like me, we'll talk about that here in a moment. But the company utilizes the most sophisticated and latest technologies available. Here we go. MetaTrader 5, registered broker, operating its own trading platform and one of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry. For the traders, again, have at it. You can do your own trading and earn your own money. For those of you that are like me and don't have any interest, don't know how to trade, or if you know how to trade, you just don't want to trade, then that's where Pam Accounts come into play. So let's talk about what Pam Accounts are. What it stands for, ladies and gentlemen, is called Percentage Allocation Management Module. And all that simply means is all of our funds are pulled together inside of a cryptocurrency and Forex trading account. Now, we don't have to do any trading. It's managed by successful traders, and we don't have to have any knowledge at all about trading. We each receive the same percentage across the board. So almost, as I say, like a mutual fund setup. What I love about Novatech and how they have this design, they have risk management strategies available that they utilize to make sure that they're protecting our assets. So let me give you an example of that. Although all of our money is pooled together into one fund, they're not trading all of the money. They're not saying, oh, let's go out there and trade and figure out and get all of this money all at one time. They know that things are risky. So what they do, ladies and gentlemen, they'll take a percentage, a portion of the Pam account, and they'll trade that every day. And then they tell their artificial intelligence and professional traders, they say, earn until you reach a certain percentage for the day. Once you reach that percentage, then stop. And we just get paid every Friday. So I love the fact that they are thinking about you and I and our families in mind and have put in effective risk strategies to manage it all, which is just fantastic. So live market trading, again, as we talked about, you don't have to know how to trade, but if you want to learn a little bit, you can test it out for yourself. Free demo is available, Windows, Apple, and Android. So we can track our progress as well in the back office. The company keeps track of everything. So there's reporting back there. It's a very professional back office as well, very user-friendly. So here's the past results here from January through June of last year. The monthly average was 15.7%, which is just fantastic. Think about how much we're getting from the bank. Nothing monthly, right? At the end of the year, it's really pretty small. And then as we showed you the potential with the calculator at 3%, you're looking at 12%, right? But the actual average last year, at least for the first 6 months, was 15.7% a month. And for the year, about 3.3 to 3.5%, which is just fantastic a week. So let's look at the past performance. It's not indicative of future results here, ladies and gentlemen, but let's talk about them. December 31st was 3.14% for the week. We didn't have to do any trading, don't have to know about trading or anything like that. December 24th, boy, were we celebrating Christmas for sure. We were elated, 3.3% for the week. December 17th, 2.86% for the week. December 10th, 2.48% for the week without doing any trading, without having any experience at all. So why is Novatech different? I can go on and talk about a whole bunch of reasons why they're different, but I'm going to cover these 4 points for you. There are no expiration dates, you guys, no earning caps. We can earn as much money as we want. And we can trade as long as we want. There's no repurchase requirements. We can cancel at any time. So when I was talking to Corey J, right, Bad to the Bone Sampson, the co-founder, I said, wait a second. Let me just sit back for a second. Sometimes we need to reflect and really look at what we have here. We don't have to do any trading at all. We don't need to know any experience about cryptocurrency, Forex, or nothing. And the company's going to do all of that with the expert advisor design, the artificial intelligence, and the professional traders. And we earn every single Friday. without lifting a finger. And if we want to pull our money out, we can. Or if we want to reinvest it, we can to maximize our capital, to maximize our gains. Why would anyone want to cancel? Okay, but you have free reign to cancel. We have 100% access to your capital. Oh my goodness, this is huge. Every single dollar that you all invest, because we know we work hard for our money, right? We want to work smarter here with Novatech and let them do everything for us. But we want to have access to all of our money. So if you invest $99, which we don't recommend, if you invest $1,000, some gentleman through our senior success line, he invested $750,000. So do you have access to that money? He has 100% access to $750,000. If you put in $25,000, $100, doesn't matter. You have 100% access to your capital and you can withdraw it from your trading account at any time. It's your money. If you withdraw it, ladies and gentlemen, within your first 90 days, there will be a 15% processing fee. Because what happens is all of our monies are pulled together in a Pam account. We talked about that, right? The company trades 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. So then if you request money from your trading account, where they're trading on our behalf daily, then they have to go through some hoops and then there's fees associated with it. So they're going to pass on the cost to you and I if we do it, try to withdraw any of our capital in our first 90 days of our enrollment date. After our first 90 days, then 15% processing fee is waived. Now our weekly earnings, there are 0 fees that the company charges. So, and we'll be able to withdraw our weekly earnings when? Within 24 hours, we'll receive our withdrawals. If you withdraw anything from your trading balance, which includes your capital right in your trading balance, then it's going to take 7 to 14 business days. But our weekly earnings on every Friday, then we receive it in 24 hours. We can withdraw up to $5,000 a day. Now, those of you on the line saying, okay, I need more than $5,000. Don't worry, you can get more than $5,000 a day. You just need to provide additional paperwork to prove who you are. The company wants to protect your money. So all you got to do is provide more information. No earning caps. What does that mean? That means we can earn unlimited income. There are some opportunities out there, ladies and gentlemen, it says, oh, you can earn until it doubles, you can earn until it triples. And there's nothing wrong with those opportunities. Here at Novatech, they don't want to limit you on how much you want to earn and your potential for yourself and your family. They say you can earn whatever your heart's desires over and over and over and over again. We talked about on average about 3% a week. It's an amazing company, you guys. An American CEO, cryptocurrency hedge fund. It's not your traditional MLM. There's no VPN required. There is no recruiting required. That means you don't have to refer a single soul. If you don't want to share this with anyone, you don't have to. But think about this. We're doing others that we love, that we trust a disservice if we don't share, but you don't have to share this with a single soul. You can just have your money work for you instead of us working for it. So let's talk about, what do you start? How do you get started? Here are the flexible enrollment packages. We can fund our account with cryptocurrency, right? Remember, it's a cryptocurrency hedge fund. We can fund it with either Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or Litecoin. Those of you that are unfamiliar with how do you buy cryptocurrency, you may have heard about Bitcoin on the news, or Shiba Inu, or Dogecoin, or whatever coin it is, and you were familiar with it, but said, I don't know how to go about it. Well, we are a family here. We're set our team up for success, so don't worry about it. The person that invited you or someone they know will be able to help you with getting started as well. And then there's on my screen, you see here, it says $99. I talked about that. We don't want to start with $99. I'll state that in a moment. It's a builder package all the way to platinum for $24,999. Now, anyone that has a monthly trading balance from $99 to $24,999, there is a small monthly admin fee of $25. What I love what the company does here, ladies and gentlemen, is they will allow us to earn first in our first 30 days, and then they'll deduct the $25 from our earnings. They don't want us paying anything out of pocket. So how fantastic is that? Now, here's the reason why we don't recommend $99. We're going to round this up to 100. Well, we're earning on average 3% a week. 3% of $100 is $3 times 4 weeks. It's $12 without compounding. So that's not going to cover the $25 monthly admin fee. So the lowest amount we recommend is $250 to get started. But if you had no choice but to spend $99 and that's all you had, can you get started? Absolutely. Just upgrade your account. Remember, we can add funds at any time. 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. A lot of people ask that question. Can I add more money? Yes, you can. Whenever you want to add it. By 11 p.m. Eastern time, remember the company trades every day. Whatever you add to your account gets traded the same day. We even had some people start on a Thursday and they added their funds before the deadline and they got paid on Friday the next day. So how fantastic is that? So currently right now at this time, ladies and gentlemen, service is not available. Per the company, they elected not to do business in the following states: Texas, South Carolina, Montana, Hawaii, and Alaska. If you know of anyone in these states, don't worry, get back to the person that brought you here, find out more information about that and what you can do for yourself and your family. VIP, how many VIPs do we have on the line? Go ahead and raise your hand. What does this mean to be VIP? That means that your trading balance, your monthly trading balance, ladies and gentlemen, is $25,000 to $99,999. That young lady that stated she's going to be conservative and start with 25, she said 25,000. All right, conservatively. All right. So you don't have to come in directly with 25,000, but when your account grows to that, you still will be VIP either way. Either you pay it up front or when your account grows to 25,000 to 99,999, you are VIP. And yes, you get extra benefits. What are they? Number one, there's no monthly fee. That $25 monthly fee, it is waived. In addition to that, you receive 1% monthly cash back rewards. Let's talk about this. Everything that the company earns you on your trading account every single Friday, they're going to give you 1% cash back. I said, wait a second, Corey J. You mean to tell me that whatever the company is earning me and they're doing the work on Fridays and my trading profits, they're going to also give me an additional 1% cash back on that. And this is paid out monthly. It's just a fantastic company laid out for you and I. The President's Club VIP, congratulations to all the VIPs and congratulations to the VIP Club, President's Club members that have invested 100,000 plus. We have several on our team as well as VIPs as well. So what do you receive here for being President's Club VIP? More money. So 2.5% monthly cash back. The company's going to give you a one-time $1,000 bonus. And again, there's no monthly fees at all whatsoever, ladies and gentlemen. We have dedicated support. We can reach out to support either via email or a ticket system in the back office, or you can chat with them as well. It is just amazing. Well, I just covered just the first part of it, the passive side, where we don't have to refer a single soul. We can have our money work for us, let the professionals and the artificial intelligence do everything for us. But the company knows that we're going to share it. It's our nature to share, right, ladies and gentlemen? It's our nature to share a good movie, a good restaurant, and so on and so forth. And when we do, are they going to reward us even more? Yes, they will. And it is my pleasure, speaking of amazing, to bring up this amazing gentleman. I call him Mr. Amazing. He's a husband, loving husband. He has 6 children, beautiful wife. He has built teams of tens of thousands. He is paving the way here and helping the entire team to be successful. He's a wealth coach, and I just appreciate everything that he does. Corey and I do. He is making strides, having fun, an excellent presenter as well. It's my pleasure to bring up my brother from another mother, Mr. Dap Dunbar. Are you there, sir?
I sure am. Can you hear me, Marcia?
I can hear you loud and clear. You have the floor.
Awesome. Thank you so much. What an amazing, amazing presentation. Thank you so much for what it is that you do for our Team Diamond family, for my individual team, my group, all the subgroups within this awesome Team Diamond family, guys. We are absolutely killing the game. All right. And killing it in a great way. And as you can see right here on your screen where it says take your income to the next level, I was thinking about it as, you know, me listening to you over the last 15 to 20 minutes. So I literally just got off of another presentation with an amazing women's group, about 65 really strong, successful six-figure earners who got wind of this particular opportunity. And, you know, I said to myself, man, 2022 is already starting off the exact way that God envisioned it for me, which is building other people. This is literally becoming my favorite way to earn in Novatech. Now, remember, we all came into Novatech because we didn't have to share this with anybody, but earning the ROI every single week is it's become such a norm that I can actually literally do what God has intended for me to do, which is serve humanity and serve people, and do it in a capacity where people can truly start to dream about what their real mission in life is. Because when you start to understand that you can be in a place where your money is actually making money for you, that's a whole different type of lifestyle, guys. So when we talk about taking your income to the next level, let me break down for you just real quickly what makes Novatech pretty unique if you are serious about sharing this with every single person that lays eyes on you. All right, every single person. Now, you don't want them to get too close because of that variant out there. All right, but outside of that, you want to make sure that you share this with everybody. So let's go to the first slide, guys, so I can share with you the 7 ways. Matter of fact, let me say it this way: the 7 additional ways that we actually get paid above and beyond the company allowing our money to work for us. All right. The first way is the direct referral bonus. And I'm just going to hit this real quickly because I'll go through a little more illustration on the other slides. But direct referral bonus. So some people say, well, will I get paid anything if I share this with people? Of course you will. Of course. This company is a hedge fund. This company is about generating more and more revenue so that they can literally have more investments for us. The more investments that they have, the more allocating of investments that they do, the more secure, the more stable, the more consistent our returns will be. Not only will you earn from sharing it, but income stream number 2 will allow your indirects to pay you as well. So when you share this and they share it, matter of fact, 7 levels deep, 7 generations deep, guess what? You can get paid as well. How awesome is that, right? So you know what it's like? Let me break it down for those of you that have not really been in network marketing before, all right? Even though, again, we're not necessarily really network marketing, but hey, we get paid like it. So there ain't nothing wrong with network marketing, all right? So your sister's kids, all right? 7 generations deep, you still get paid, even though you're not directly tied to those people, all right? Fast track bonuses. The company says real simple: we're going to put together a plan in 45 days of you joining our company. If you hit these marks, we'll pay you some extra cash, all right? Number 4, check match weekly bonuses. I mean, it's our favorite. I'm not going to go too much into it now, but let's just put it this way. Every single person that you share this with, what if the company said, we will pay you 5% commission on everything that they earn in their trading account? I'm going to say that one more time. Every single person you share this with, I don't care if it's 1,000 people, you'll earn 5% on every last one of those 1,000 people every single week on whatever the company earns them. Pretty awesome stuff, right? Residual bonuses. Remember that $25 fee? You're like, what? Man, how is this company making money? They can't make no money off of $25. As a matter of fact, they don't even charge it up front. They take it from the earnings. What kind of mess is that? You know what kind of mess that is? That's an investment mess. That's the mess that we want. We don't want that auto ship stuff, right? Where you got to pay monthly every single month and you got to maintain this. No, the company says we are doing what we are intended to do. We work for you and we allow your money to do all the work. And we'll take our $25 cut at the end of your first 30 days and so on after that. But guess what? That doesn't even go to the company, guys. That goes right back out to the field. 9 levels deep. Yes, they're spreading that $25 out so that we can have more residual income. Pretty awesome stuff, right? Rank achievements up to 100,000. I'll share with you what that looks like on another slide. And then rank-based profit sharing. We'll end with that in a second. I'm going to tell you what that stands for because I spoke to one of the leaders 2 days ago now, and I actually got the number of what they all made as just a senior executive, which is the first level rank, which was really awesome and it really excited me. So we'll talk about that in a second. Let's go to the next slide. So direct referral bonuses, guys. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, but it's real simple. Remember, you get in where you fit in, right? You figure out your lane, whether you're a builder or a president's club or higher, right? Whichever one that your personally sponsored person decides to get in, you can notice right there, it shows you the bonus that they'll pay and the upgrade bonus that they'll actually pay. These are one-time bonuses. Every time someone upgrades to a new package level, you get paid anywhere from $10 to $5,000, guys. Really awesome stuff. Let's go ahead to the next one. The indirect referral bonus. Again, look at these numbers, guys. It doesn't look like a lot of money. Well, what if I told you just in someone's organization in just 3 months, off of telling a handful, maybe a couple of handful of people, you got 1,400 people in your downline and you're earning $2, $5, $10, $3 on every single last one of those people every single week. Would that be something nice for you to actually be able to say? Of course it would. Guys, this adds up very, very quickly. It's called viral marketing, all right? When something is good, people talk. Let's move to the next slide. The next slide, guys, is fast track bonus. I heard our awesome presenter, Stan the Man, from the Bentley to the, excuse me, I'm about to say from the Bentley to the bus. No way, going from the bus to the Bentley. Stan talked about speaking to one of his potential prospects about, hey, man, $100, man, that ain't nothing. That's like really small. Well, there's a couple things, right? That particular person forgot. We're not pushing lotion, potions, or pills here. All right. It can only come from what the company can anticipate they'll be able to earn through a non-guaranteed rate of return on your investment. So they can't just pay out thousands when they don't have it. Right. However, that $100 gets compounded, guys. I mean, we already showed you what $500 looks like in just 5 years, right? Over $500,000, guys. $50,000 is what $100 would be in several years. So when we say $100, no, it's not 100. When we say 500, no, it's not 500, guys. Every single dollar matters. Let's move on to the next. Check match. Remember I was telling you guys, every single person that you share this with, you see row number 1, 5%. Oh yeah, there's no reason, and I truly believe this. I am not exaggerating here. There's no one here on this call right now that should not bring in less than 50 people into this opportunity. You've shared all types of stuff with people. No success whatsoever, from network marketing to affiliated marketing to Netflix to restaurants to gifting communities when that was a thing, to every type of scheme out there, guys. All right. And what happened? You didn't really get anything for it. Guys, why would you not share this with everybody and have the potential to earn 5% on all of your personally sponsored people? And let's take it a step further. You're going to earn 2% when they decide to share it. You're going to earn 1% when it goes 3, 4, and 5 levels deep. You're going to earn 0.5% when it goes 6 and 7 levels deep. You're going to earn 0.25% when it goes 8 and 9 levels deep. Ladies and gentlemen, again, this ain't network marketing, and there ain't a lot of upfront money where it's going to entice you to go out there and share it with people. But if you truly believe in serving and sharing the good news of what we call this financial gospel, I can promise you that you will reap what you sow. Let's move to the next slide. Residual income, remember that $25 that I told you about? Same platform and layout, 9 levels deep, guys. All right. Yeah, it's only $25. It's only 5% on your first level. I'm here to tell you guys, it adds up in a matter of months. It's already hundreds of dollars per week. All right. I don't know how many of you earn hundreds of dollars per week for not doing anything, but I'm sure you'd love to pay some cell phone bills and some water bills and some electric bills on some free money. Don't let this money just float in the air, guys, because if you don't take it, I promise you, people that you know will. Let's move to the next slide. Leadership rewards up to $100,000 at one time for hitting the top rank in this company. One-time gifts, guys. All right, let me show you the breakdown. All right, we have amazing platinum associates in our community. All right, shout out to the 60 plus platinum associates or whatever it is that we have, some ridiculous number in a short 3.5 months in this particular platform. Junior executives, we got another 20 something junior, 25 something junior executives, guys. Shout out to the dozen or so executives. Senior executive right now, you have our 2 awesome co-founders, Miss Corey and Marsha, and myself. Stan the man, I'm guessing he probably just hit it or is about to. And we got, we got Gregory White, we got listen, let me not say no names because I'm gonna miss too many people, guys. Here's the beautiful part, right? You got 3 leaders that you're gonna you're hearing from on this call, and others that have come and followed our lead that are hitting the same ranks that we are in. What type of company is that? Allowing the people at the bottom to have the potential to make more money than the people at the top. It's called an investment platform, guys. Yeah, I know you guys like that, right? Junior director, 10,000, senior director, 25,000, first star ambassador, 50. We're about to break the first 2-star ambassador in Novatech, 100K. All of those cumulative added up, guys. Come on, man. We're talking free money, over $180,000, guys, of free money. This is above and beyond everything else. You think this is it? Man, let's go. I'm excited. Why? Because I'm telling you, everybody has the opportunity. Everybody. This is an equal playing field. All right. You ain't got to worry about who sells the best juice, lotion, pills, body wrap, vitamins, insurance, or any of that stuff. And again, all of those companies are great. They do millions and millions of dollars. People make millions. I'm not here to point at them. I'm only here to share with you. Many of you, probably 90% of you, have had no success. When I say no success, I mean no success. Why? Because all of those platforms are predicated on you sharing in order to see anything that makes financial sense. You don't have to worry about that here, guys. But when you do, senior executive pool is the first rank that you want to hit. It's the bottom of the totem pole. Ladies and gentlemen, how would you like in a very new company like this to have an opportunity to earn like $12,000 every quarter for doing nothing? Well, not really. You're actually blessing people, right? But you ain't have to sell nothing. And that's at the first level at 2%. What if you hit director's pool, which is where we're all going, and you can get another 3%? So not only do you have a potential of making 12,000, but what if it was an extra 30 or 40,000 on top of that? And then most importantly, getting to that ambassador rank. Again, I don't know where your goals are. We're not here to push you anywhere that you can't fathom going. But what I am here to tell you is that the sky is the limit and everybody has the opportunity, guys. When this company hits multi-billion dollars in assets, this company is going to pay out tens of millions of dollars to the select few, the creme de la creme of those that are going to go out and share the good news. That's all I'm gonna say there, guys. I can drop the mic on that. Taking your income to the next level is really what sharing in Novatech is all about. So with that being said, guys, that is my segment of this particular platform. Earning disclaimers are very important. I need you guys to all understand that The use of information products and services should be based on your due diligence. I understand that we're faith-based, and I understand that a lot of you trust us. A lot of you have followed us for years, and we've helped you earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. But ladies and gentlemen, we all are adults here. We have to do our own due diligence, so please do so. All information contained here should be independently verified and confirmed and should not be constructed as financial advice, because we are not financial advisors for NovaTech, okay? We are not financial advisors, nor do we accept any liability for any loss or damages of risk involved with the trading done in any financial markets, whether it's your 401k or your annuities or your Forex or your crypto. Everything has a level of risk. You just have to know what your risk is, all right? Do not invest or trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. As long as you understand that principle, you'll always be okay. I can promise you guys, this is not a fly-by-night proposition, all right? This ain't your one-night stand, baby, all right? This is gonna be thousands and thousands of nights, all right? No lonely nights either, because we're gonna be all the way at the top together. So with that being said, guys, I am super tired. I've been at this all day today, but it's been a blessing, and I am so grateful. And I know that your future, freedom, and dreams start right now. So dream big, guys. All right, the line in the sand has already been drawn. It is a new year with new intentions, new goals, new commitments. Let's make that first commitment, that true financial commitment, NovaTech. And I promise you, it can definitely change your life. With that being said, guys, I want to send it right back over to our awesome co-founders, Marsha, Corey. Are you there?
Yeah.
Awesome. Hey. Thank you guys so much. I went blank for a second. I want to bring my superstars, my queens. You guys are such an amazing duo, such an amazing team, and you bring your own elements of passion, love, and care and concern. I mean, so much so that, sometimes it's to our detriment that we care so much for other people. But here's what we also do realize, because we all serve the same God, is that the God that we serve says the more that we serve, the more abundant that he gives us what it is that we ask for and what we want. So you guys are servant leaders. Thank you guys so much. And thank you, everybody that's been on this call, for sticking with us, listening. And I hope I do see you guys at the top, because the bottom is just too crowded.
Wow. What another amazing presentation. We could drop the mic every single time. You laid it out, Mr. Dunbar, just making it plain, making it simple, making it fun at the same time. I was over here cracking up, and I'm sure the co-founder of our team was doing the same, just enjoying everything. Ladies and gentlemen, in all seriousness, the person that invited you wanted to bless you and start your 2022 off with a bang. As Corey J says, she's going to come up. She's going to lay it out as she closes out the call that she does, that leads from the front, business acumen on par. I'm going to turn it back over to the co-founder of our team, Corey J. Bad to the Bone Sampson. Over to you.
Boy, I tell you what, that Dap Dunbar. Oh man, you are so right, Marsha. He puts it where you can get it, honey. And listen, folks, we are just so excited that y'all are here. We pray that y'all have seen what you need to see and that you are ready to get started. Started with changing your financial futures for you and your family. Guys, listen, the beginning of that presentation was done by the co-founder of our team, Mrs. Marsha Hadley. And I tell you, did she not disappoint? Didn't I mention to y'all that she was anointed to present? Oh man, now you know what I'm talking about, right? Oh my goodness gracious, Marsha, you did such a fantastic job with that. And we appreciate you so much. I tell you guys, listen, I feel like we cannot lose. I feel like we cannot. We have such an incredible power team. And folks, we want you to be a part of that as well. For those of you that are not already involved here with NovaTech on Team Diamond, we want you to be a part of it. We truly are family here, and we look out and support one another at 100%, which is really what leads to our success, because it's all about God, right? Right now, we're making money, right? We love making money, right? We all do. Money is important simply because it's what we use to barter, okay? We're able to do that here in NovaTech without even sweating. But what makes it so special for us, and now for you prayerfully, is that we bless everyone we touch with this opportunity. And then on top of that, we bless each other with our concern, our compassion, and our love. And this is real stuff, right? No foolishness. No, I'm doing this so I can make money. I'm not concerned about the other one making money. That's not the way we do business here on Team Diamond. And so you've got incredible leaders. Mrs. Marsha Hadley, Mr. Dap Dunbar. I love this. I want to call him boy, but he's far from a boy, but just out of love. I love, love, love him. I love what he represents with his family, with his children. That's what we're all about here, guys. And then we have Mr. Stan Richards. Oh my God. He's truly himself a living legend. And so we bring all of that to you. And we envelop that around NovaTech. And just as God said, as Dap said, with regards to God and what he's looking for from us is for us to be here to help one another. So guys, listen, we're going to go ahead and close this presentation out. It has been an incredible presentation. And we are so fired up for each and every one of you. We are fired up. When we see these rank advancements that go by and so many people on the team that are advancing and evolving from one rank to the other, it warms our hearts so much, because guess what it tells us? It tells us that we are really facilitating family, financial freedom for people that are not even born yet. My God, look at there, in a space that most of us have not been privy to. Now listen, on January 9th, our phenomenal and very gracious CEO, Cynthia Petion, is going to do a presentation for us to let us know where we have come from and where we are going. This is going to be a do not miss event. Y'all see it. You see the date, you see the time. Do not schedule anything that conflicts with this, because you want to be here. And let me tell you, please, please, please get on early. And when I say early, I mean 30 minutes early, at the very least 15 minutes early. Because guys, people all over the entire globe on planet Earth are going to be coming to this presentation to hear this phenomenal woman speak and tell us exactly what it is that we have our hands on for 2022 and beyond. God bless y'all. We love you guys so much. God bless your families. God bless your thoughts, your mind, and God bless your business. We love y'all. Have a wonderful evening. God bless you. God bless you. Marsha, you want to do your thing?
Yes, indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time today. Thank the person that invited you. We are going to say hello. Let's